Hi guys, kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at si Pinoy tiny bell button dun sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, magre-react ako guys dito kay Hiromi Zelda. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapanood to, kaya i-play na natin to. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin to. So, eto na.
Hey kids, ready to learn Philippine geography?
Philippine geography. Galing ha?
Philippines has a great history according to our
Grabe yung boses niya, kaganda.
Manila is the capital city, docking point from the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon
Ang galing namang batang to.
Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Zapote, Malabon, Las Piñas, Parañaque. From the north, Batanes,
Ang galing.
Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan, Baling, Monterrey, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva
Grabe yung voice tone niya,
Vizcaya,
no?
Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga,
Ang angelic ng boses niya.
Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas,
Ang
Laguna.
galing.
Now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, and we add 3 islands more, Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, then down to Visayan shore, famous sa fish, sugar, coconut, and corn.
Ang galing niya.
Cebu, Magdan, Mandawi, Bohol, Samar, Leyte, Iloilo, Capiz, ang Gran Antique, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Siquijor, Dumaguete. Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao, Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mambahaw, Butuan, Agusan, Surigao, the Grande Oro, Iligan, Osamis, and the 3 provinces of Davao, Davao, Oriental, the Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi. Philippines has a great history. Manila is the capital city. All tourists are invited to see. According to our geography, Philippines is a beautiful country.
Wow. Grabe naman. Sobrang ganda ng voice tone ni Hiromi Zelda. Ang ganda ng diction niya. Sobrang clear. Tapos napaka-angelic ng kanyang boses. Supportan po natin si Hiromi Zelda sa kanyang singing career. Kasi grabe guys, sobrang ganda ako sa boses niya. Ang sarap pakinggan.